Start out the new year in a new home. This affordable Serene Lakefront property has been meticulously maintained and is ready for you. This 3-bedroom with a possible 4th bedroom, 2.5-bath home has countless recent updates that you'll have to come and see. Inside, the rooms are spacious and open, perfect for hosting those get-togethers with family and friends. The large kitchen features endless cabinets and plenty of countertop space for meal prep, while the eat-in dining nook offers convenience for enjoying your meals straight from the kitchen to the table. Through the sliding doors, you'll find the Four Seasons room where you can bask in the sunshine and enjoy the beautiful view no matter the weather. Memories are sure to be made gathered in the living room, sharing stories and enjoying company of loved ones. If you need an office space to work from home, there's a lovely space with built-ins, or this space could be used as an additional bedroom if needed. For even more space to entertain, the finished basement has you covered. With recreation space and a wet bar, you'll have everything that you need for a fun night in. Come out to Pleasant Lake, take in the incredible view from the composite deck, and picture yourself in this amazing home. Call Ginger Miller for more information.